Mindfulness is more than just a buzzword. It's a gentle practice that invites us to be present in each moment, fully aware of our thoughts and feelings. For seniors, especially those navigating the transitions and changes that come with the golden years, mindfulness can be a powerful tool for cultivating inner calm and peace. Imagine starting your day with a few quiet breaths, noticing the warmth of sunlight on your skin or the sound of birds outside your window. These simple acts of awareness can help reduce stress, improve emotional well-being, and foster a deeper sense of contentment. Many seniors find that embracing mindfulness allows them to savor life's small joys and face challenges with greater resilience. In a world that often feels hurried, mindfulness offers a sanctuary, a way to reconnect with yourself and experience each day more fully. Stress and anxiety are more than just fleeting emotions. They can have a profound impact on seniors' physical and mental well-being. As we age, life changes, such as retirement, health concerns, or the loss of loved ones, can make these feelings more pronounced. Chronic stress may contribute to high blood pressure, weakened immune response, and even memory problems. Anxiety can lead to sleep disturbances, reduced appetite, and social withdrawal, making daily life more challenging. Managing stress and anxiety isn't just about feeling better emotionally. It's essential for maintaining heart health, cognitive function, and overall vitality. By understanding how these feelings work, seniors can take meaningful steps to protect their health and enjoy their golden years to the fullest. Imagine waking up each morning with a sense of calm and clarity. Science shows that mindfulness, even in its simplest forms, can have a profound impact on our brains. Researchers have discovered that regular mindfulness practices can strengthen areas of the brain responsible for attention, memory, and emotional regulation. Over time, these changes can help reduce stress, improve mood, and foster resilience. For seniors, this means that just a few minutes of mindful breathing or gentle meditation each day can support emotional well-being and cognitive health. The beauty of mindfulness lies in its accessibility. No special equipment or experience required, just a willingness to be present. As we age, embracing these practices can be a powerful tool for nurturing both mind and spirit. Imagine waking up each morning not to a rush of tasks, but to a gentle moment of clarity. For seniors, cultivating a mindful morning routine can be transformative. Begin by sitting quietly for a few minutes, focusing on your breath and letting thoughts come and go without judgment. Some find it helpful to express gratitude for the new day, perhaps by recalling 3 things they appreciate. Gentle stretching or a short walk outside can also ground you in the present. These simple practices don't require special equipment or long periods of time, but they do set a positive tone that can carry through the rest of your day. Over time, you may notice increased calm, better focus, and a deeper sense of well-being. Imagine sitting in your favorite chair, feeling a wave of tension after a busy day. Breathing exercises can help you find calm and clarity, no matter where you are. Begin by inhaling slowly through your nose for a count of 4, letting your belly expand gently. Hold that breath for another 4 counts, then exhale softly through your mouth for 6. Repeat this cycle several times, focusing on the rhythm and sensation of each breath. With every exhale, picture your worries drifting away. Over time, these simple techniques can quiet anxious thoughts and help you reconnect with a sense of peace. Imagine starting your morning with a few gentle stretches, feeling your muscles awaken and your mind settle into a sense of calm. For seniors, mindful movement isn't about pushing limits. It's about nurturing the body and spirit. Walking meditations, for example, encourage you to focus on each step, the rhythm of your breath, and the world around you. These practices are tailored to be safe and accessible, helping to ease tension and promote relaxation. Over time, many find that regular mindful movement improves flexibility, balance, and even mood. It's a simple way to honor your body's needs while cultivating inner peace. Imagine starting each morning by recalling one thing you're thankful for, a cherished memory, a loved one's smile, or simply the warmth of sunlight through your window. For many seniors, cultivating gratitude can be a powerful way to shift attention away from daily worries and toward life's positive moments. Experts suggest keeping a small journal by your bedside, jotting down 3 things that brought you joy each day. Even sharing a story of gratitude with a friend or family member can lift your spirits and theirs. Over time, these simple habits help reframe your perspective, making it easier to appreciate the little victories and connections that enrich your golden years. The practice of gratitude isn't just uplifting. Studies show it can improve emotional well-being and even physical health. By focusing on what's good, you invite more positivity into your life, one moment at a time. As we age, worries can sometimes feel like unwelcome guests, lingering in our minds and disrupting our peace. I remember a patient who struggled with sleepless nights, her thoughts racing about things she couldn't control. The first step in managing these worries is to recognize them without judgment. Acknowledge their presence, but don't let them dictate your mood. Simple breathing exercises, such as inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly, can help quiet the mind. Journaling is another powerful tool. Writing down your concerns often makes them seem less daunting. Connecting with friends or joining a support group can also provide comfort and perspective. Over time, these practical strategies can help you let go of intrusive thoughts and rediscover a sense of calm and contentment in your golden years. Mindful listening is a simple yet transformative practice, especially as we age. By truly focusing on what our loved ones are saying, we create space for deeper connection and understanding. I remember a time when a friend shared a story from her childhood, and by listening without interruption, I noticed how her face softened and her words flowed more freely. This kind of attentive presence not only strengthens relationships but also eases social anxiety, making gatherings feel less overwhelming. When we listen mindfully, we show respect and empathy, fostering trust and warmth in every conversation. Over time, these moments of genuine connection can become some of our most cherished memories. Imagine sitting down to a meal, not just to satisfy hunger, but to truly savor each bite. Mindful eating invites us to slow down, appreciate the colors, textures, and flavors of our food, and turn mealtime into a moment of relaxation. For many seniors, this practice can transform an ordinary routine into a source of joy and connection. By focusing on the present, we allow ourselves to notice subtle tastes and aromas, making each meal more enjoyable. Mindful eating also helps us listen to our bodies, recognizing when we're full or what foods make us feel our best. Over time, these small moments of presence can reduce stress and foster a deeper sense of well-being. It's a gentle reminder that food is not just fuel, it's an opportunity to nourish both body and mind. Imagine stepping into a room where every detail invites you to relax and breathe deeply. For seniors, organizing your living space can be a powerful way to encourage daily mindfulness. Start by decluttering surfaces, keeping only items that bring you joy or serve a purpose. Natural light and soft, warm colors can help create a soothing atmosphere. Consider adding a comfortable chair near a window for quiet reflection, and use gentle scents like lavender or chamomile to enhance tranquility. Arranging cherished photos or mementos in a dedicated corner can foster gratitude and positive memories. By thoughtfully designing your environment, you set the stage for peaceful moments and mindful routines each day. Imagine sitting in your favorite armchair, a gentle chime reminding you to take a deep breath. For seniors, technology can be a powerful ally in practicing mindfulness, but it's important to choose tools that feel comfortable and easy to use. Simple apps like Calm or Headspace offer guided meditations tailored for all experience levels, while others, such as Insight Timer, provide soothing sounds and gentle reminders. Many seniors find that using a tablet with large icons or voice commands makes these apps even more accessible. The key is to start small, perhaps with a 5-minute breathing exercise each morning, and gradually explore what feels most supportive. By selecting user-friendly options and setting realistic goals, technology becomes a bridge to greater peace and presence rather than a source of stress. Many seniors find that beginning a mindfulness practice comes with its own set of challenges: distractions, physical discomfort, or even skepticism about the benefits can make it difficult to get started. I remember working with a gentleman named Harold who struggled to sit still due to arthritis. By adapting his practice to include gentle movement and shorter sessions, Harold discovered mindfulness could fit his needs. Others may feel overwhelmed by technology or unsure where to begin. The key is to start small, perhaps with a few minutes of deep breathing each day. Over time, these simple habits can become a source of comfort and clarity, helping seniors navigate daily stresses with greater ease. Imagine waking up each morning knowing you're surrounded by people who genuinely care about your well-being. For seniors, building a strong support system is more than just having someone to talk to. It's about creating a network that encourages mindful living. Friends offer companionship and laughter, helping us stay engaged and positive. Family members provide comfort and guidance, reminding us that we're never alone in facing life's challenges. Community groups, whether it's a local book club or a walking group at the park, foster a sense of belonging and purpose. Together, these connections inspire us to be present, nurture healthy habits, and embrace each day with gratitude. In my years as a health educator, I've seen firsthand how a supportive circle can transform the golden years into a time of growth and joy. As we journey through our golden years, keeping track of our well-being can be both empowering and enlightening. Simple habits like jotting down a few notes each morning about how you slept, or rating your mood on a scale from 1 to 10, can reveal subtle patterns over time. Some seniors find it helpful to keep a small notebook by their bedside, while others prefer using calendar reminders or even smartphone apps designed for wellness tracking. By regularly observing changes in sleep quality, mood, and stress levels, you'll start to notice which activities or routines help you feel your best. For example, perhaps a daily walk leads to more restful nights, or connecting with friends lifts your spirits. These small observations can guide you toward healthier choices and provide reassurance that progress is happening, even in the smallest ways. Imagine waking up each morning with a sense of calm, even when life throws unexpected challenges your way. That's exactly what happened for Margaret, a retired teacher from Ohio, who began practicing mindfulness after struggling with anxiety for years. She found that taking just 10 minutes each day to focus on her breath helped her feel more grounded and less overwhelmed. Similarly, James, a grandfather from Florida, noticed that his daily mindfulness routine made him more patient and resilient when facing stressful family situations. These real-life stories show that mindfulness isn't just a trendy buzzword. It's a practical tool that empowers seniors to navigate stress and anxiety with greater ease. By embracing simple practices, they discovered a renewed sense of control and peace in their golden years. As we journey through our golden years, embracing mindfulness can be a transformative gift. Whether you're just beginning or looking to deepen your daily practice, remember that each moment spent in calm reflection adds to your overall well-being. I've seen firsthand how even a few minutes of mindful breathing can bring clarity and peace, helping to ease the stresses that sometimes accompany aging. The beauty of mindfulness is that it's never too late to start, and its benefits grow with consistency. By making mindfulness a gentle habit, you nurture both body and mind, fostering resilience and serenity. Let this be your invitation to cultivate lasting calm, one mindful breath at a time.